Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin. Today's episode is called Human Mattress Dominoes. Using a mattress to fall asleep is ordinary, but what if you used it to break a world record? Today we're looking at the record-breaking feat that rocked the sleep industry, the largest human mattress dominoes. This record included 2,355 people and mattresses lined up like dominoes. But who orchestrated this marvelous display of coordination and camaraderie? None other than Multiflex RNC Philippines Inc., Uratex, a company deeply entrenched in the world of comfort and sleep. To celebrate their 55th anniversary, Uratex didn't just want to break records. They wanted to do it with a touch of heart. Thus, they extended their invitation beyond their employees, reaching out to 55 charities across the Philippines to join the fun. As the sun rose on that historic day, anticipation hung thick in the air. Participants, a colourful mosaic of company partners and representatives from charitable organisations, gathered in a line between a sea of mattresses, each one eager to play their part in creating magic. With a gentle nudge, the first mattress tipped and began its journey, setting off a chain reaction that would soon reverberate through the entire venue. One after another, mattresses fell gracefully, guided by the hands of volunteers and the laws of physics. Cheers erupted as the domino effect unfolded flawlessly, weaving its way through the intricate pattern set by the organisers. It was a mesmerising sight, akin to watching synchronised swimmers glide more than just a spectacle. It was a testament to the power of unity and giving back. The real magic began as the final mattress came to rest, marking the culmination of months of planning and coordination. Uratex kept true to their promise, donating the mattresses used in the attempt to the very charities that had joined hands with them. It was a moment of shared triumph and goodwill, where the spirit of community soared higher than any record could ever reach. In the aftermath of the attempt, echoes of laughter and gratitude lingered in the halls of SMX Convention Center. For those present, it wasn't just about setting records, it was about creating memories and making a difference, one mattress at a time. The Largest Human Mattress Dominoes wasn't merely a footnote in history, but a celebration of humanity's boundless capacity for creativity and compassion. So, next time you find yourself struggling to fall asleep, remember the remarkable tale of 2,355 individuals who dared to dream big and topple records in the name of solidarity and service. After all, in a world filled with uncertainty, sometimes all it takes is a soft landing on a mattress to remind us that together we can achieve the extraordinary. As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning, immerse yourself in a personalized language journey, and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.